Yes, guys, good morning. Yeah, next episode of the rainfall in New York. New York City rain, guys. Rain. You know, you have to have an umbrella. So if you have an umbrella, you can't come out. So we have a fine squalling. Rain. Morning. Yeah, we have a rain in New York City. I'm going to tell you some of the episode. Rainfall. Yeah, Robert Anglin. Anglin Family for like, share, and subscribe, guys. This guy getting an umbrella out because it's raining. So yes, guys. Next episode of rainfall. Yeah, I'm going to say I'm going to go in the episode, you know. I dropped a video yesterday, but I accidentally delete it. But my repost is still, so all who comment yesterday, sorry about that the comment come off. But you guys can still comment back on the video because I'm post it back up. So all who did comment yesterday on the video, sorry about that. So post back the video. One of Aaron and Aria sleeping. So you know, I got accident happen sometimes, so we accidentally delete the video last night, so we have to put it up back. So all who did comment, just drop back a comment for me. Anglin Family 4. We're there, man. Next episode of the rainfall in New York, guys. Rain. Yes, guys. Rainfall in New York City. Yeah. Get your umbrella, guys. Get your umbrella. It's raining. Yes, guys, so you don't know. I have a local storm today. So you know, say. Yeah, man, I forgot alright, man. I talk about right, I forgot and see people with them umbrella there. You know? So, if you come outside, I have to bring your umbrella. Simple. Else you're going to get a lot of dumping. Yeah. Bring your umbrella, man. Afraid to bring out the umbrella. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. I have to have the umbrella out. Yes, man. Rainfall, man. Beautiful day. Wow. You know, say no heat today, no. The rain is like it's cooling down the place, you know. Yes, guys. So it's our next episode of the rainfall in New York City. Yeah, big up Sheena, Aaron, and Aria, you know. For real. Aria and Aaron can't come outside today because, you know, it's day today, you know. It's raining a lot. It's raining a lot today, you know. Alright, Aaron, now I'm gonna come out today. Sorry. To the rainfall. Rain. Rain out today. Yes, the Anglin Family out for the next episode, guys. So we're vlogging, you know. Rainfall in New York. So guys, remember, if you come out, you have to have an umbrella. Getting the kids them from school or carry them to school, you gotta have an umbrella, okay? So we have an umbrella, man. Yeah, people on the umbrella, you know. Wow, see a beautiful umbrella that's stuck a take down. Like the color there. So you don't know, guys. Come outside today, you gotta have your umbrella up. So guys, please remember, hit the subscribe button and the like button. Like, share and subscribe guys. Yo! Yes guys, like, share and subscribe. Anglin Family 4. Open up enough new door. Yes. Anglin Family 4. Open lots of new door. Yes, it's a busy road today now. Well busy. Well busy today guys. Yes guys, like, share and subscribe. Yes guys, Anglin Family 4 episode of rainfall guys. Next episode, see it there. Promise that we are going. Yeah man, I promise that we are dropping next episode of rainfall, you know guys. You know? So we're getting some fine job. So it looks like it's like all day today. Birdies. Hi birdies, 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 they love a rain job. You know, keep them cool. Not easy if you got through there. More than when it's the sun out. You know, bird love every weather still, but I think they like when the rain fall more. But they can refresh their wings, feathers, you know, FedEx. Yes guys, FedEx there. Don't know. Yeah man, it's squalling a lot man. And it's blowing too like a breeze. You know? It's blowing. Squad, fine jobs. Fine jobs guys. Yeah. Fine jobs. Anglin Family 4. Yes guys. Yes guys, I promise you that I'm going in the next episode. Yeah. More like this, you know, like you have to cover up. The rain is blowing seriously today. Yeah. Say the next episode of the rainfall. Like, share and subscribe. Yes guys, you know sir. You know sir, a straight forecast today and a straight rain today. But we still have come out and job so vlog phone. Yeah, but I promise you some I'll drop the episode. So it. Yeah. I promise that we're gonna drop an episode. Rainy day. Yeah man, I feel have an umbrella guys. The umbrella there. Oh. Rainy day guys, rainy day. Anglin Family 4 guys. Like, share and subscribe. Rain time, rainy day, rain. It's raining down, you know. So guys, like, share and subscribe. Like and share and subscribe guys. Anglin Family 4. Up it up, enough new door guys. Yeah. Yeah. And you see the rainfall, you know, you come out, you know, you jump out, yeah. Yes, guys. It's not normal at all. And out to the guys, it's the normal car guys. So, can't say Anglin Family not come out. I promise you next episode. Yes guys, like, share and subscribe. So it's a beautiful world where we come from. Guys, I'm out with them umbrella. Wow. And not everybody have the umbrella. One and two of the umbrella still. Say umbrella don't miss a coming. Yeah. 1 and 2 with the umbrella. So you know, I don't know, normal thing. So guys, it's your boy Robert Anglin. I say like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the Anglin family. You know. Raining today. So guys, remember, you know what I'm telling you, say, if the video with the baby them sleeping, we kind of need accidentally touch something and delete it. So post it back up. So the guys them make a comment yesterday, just go up and refresh back a comment or something, we get them back. Okay guys? Yeah man. Yeah man, we have to start out, man. We have to go to work, man. I want to talk about work have to go on. Yeah. Work have to go on, no matter what. Work have to go on. Like, share and subscribe. Yeah man, have to go to work, I talk about. No matter how the weather stay. Anglin Family 4, we out there.